At the onset of the new millennium, in view of the country embarking on an ambitious economic agenda, the railways felt the need of meeting the ever-increasing demand of railway transport. Thus came the Rail Vikas Nigam Limited in 2003. The day was celebrated on 9th April in New Delhi. It was an occasion to look back at the year gone by and brace for another successful one. Its annual day was celebrated on 9th April in New Delhi. It was an occasion to look back at the year gone by and brace for another successful one. Various awards were also distributed. Those were of two categories: individual awards to employees and team awards to units. The Best Project Implementation Unit Award has gone to Delhi, and Sikandrabad won the runner-up. Shri Satish Agnihotri, Managing Director, RVNL, in his speech summed up the amazing year that was of RVNL and the new projects initiated and successfully completed.
On the Independence Day of 2002, the then Honorable Prime Minister of India had announced the National Rail Vikas Yojana, and subsequently Prime Minister himself launched this Yojana in the same year on the 26th December. To implement this, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited was incorporated in 2003. So this company is hardly 8 years old. So it is with great pride that I am able to state that within a short period of operation, RVNL has been able to consolidate its position as a major provider of railway infrastructure in the country. Sir, in the year 2011-12, RVNL has contributed about 1/3 of the total doubling works done by Indian Railways. Equally significant has been the contribution of RVNL in the railway electrification. Construction of Dankuni factory has been completed in a record period of 12 months. And the work on the DMU factory at Haldia is also progressing as per schedule, and we are hopeful that within 15 months we will deliver this factory also. We are proud to inform the August gathering that launching of girder in the Joka BBD Bagh metro line in Calcutta. For this metro line, Her Excellency President of India laid the foundation stone on 22nd September 2010. We got the clearance in July 2011.
Shri A.P. Mishra, Member Engineering and Chairman, RVNL, applauded the accomplishments of RVNL in the fields of electrification and gauge conversions.
इस दौरान लगभग 4000 किलोमीटर न्यू लाइन डबलिंग गेज कन्वर्शन और इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन का काम यह संस्था पूरी कर चुकी है, और जिस प्रकार का विश्वास रेलवे बोर्ड और आप सब ने इस संस्था को दिया है, उससे इसके कार्य में निरंतर वृद्धि होती जा रही है, और इसी प्रकार जो इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन का कार्य हुआ है उसका भी एक महत्वपूर्ण प्रतिशत रेल विकास निगम के द्वारा किया गया है। वल्लारपाडम में एक 4.5 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा लंबा पुल बनाया, जो भारतीय रेल का सबसे लंबा रेल पुल है। और जैसा कि जोका माजेरहाट परियोजना, मेट्रो परियोजना की बात प्रबंध निदेशक बता रहे थे, वहाँ पर भी इस माह ही गर्डर लॉन्चिंग का कार्य शुरू कर रहे हैं।
Shri Vinay Mittal, Chairman, Railway Board, commended the achievements of the various units of RVNL in completing their projects on time and at times even before schedule.
Their performance in the doubling projects has been exemplary, and their role in commissioning of the much awaited third line between Aligarh and Ghaziabad and in completing the Palwal-Hodal line, which have provided vital links into and out of Delhi, has been indeed commendable. These lines would contribute significantly in easing operations, which in turn would lead to enhancing the revenue generation capacity of the system. It is all the more commendable that RVNL has completed the above works, as also 263 kilometers of doubling / third line works in 2011-12, which are almost 1/3 of the total achieved by Indian Railways during the previous year. Most of these works were executed in high traffic density corridors without compromising safety and train operations. RVNL's performance in electrification works at 214 kilometers has also been praiseworthy, as in the year 2011-12 almost 33% of the total railway electrification works have been completed by RVNL. The high point of their working is the quick mobilization of resources, which enables them to commence newly assigned projects within a record time. This was more than evident in the Kolkata metro projects undertaken by them. The pace of work on the Jokha-Majarhat section of Kolkata metro is indeed worthy of emulation. Execution of works on the fast track has in fact been possible due to adoption of innovative methods of contract finalization and contract management by RVNL that enables them to get professionally competent, reliable execution agencies with a proven track record.